This is the real Juanita Harrison talking to you. I've had a lot of crap happen to me. I've lost my dog, my son, Blue, who I will miss more than life himself. My Weimaraner was the best dog in the whole wide world. And then I kinda lost some of my boyfriend because he was so, as much as he said he hated my dog, he didn't. And now my Weimaraner's gone. And I miss him. And I've cried every night because he's not here. I don't hear his footsteps coming down my stairs. My boyfriend's always at work. So I'm stuck here all by myself, missing my friends, my family. What is that? My everything. And I can't afford to go get a new dog. And I don't know any of you social cams out there that have lost a dog. But my Weimaraner and my Doberman were the best dogs ever. And now I'm stuck with just my kitty cats. Nothing will ever replace my dog. Megan, you know what I mean as far as Maximus. If any of you out there who are a true lover of animals and understand what they mean, I need another Weimaraner or another Doberman, because those were the two best friends I ever had. I can't have kids. Found this out last year. I just want one of them back. Either one I'll be happy with. But I'm asking you, Social Cam, to please keep a lookout. Because I don't think anything could ever replace Blue or Snoop, which is my Doberman, because he was Snoop Dogg. Wouldn't hurt a flea, but he was Snoop. I miss my babies. And Fred and his family will never understand because they don't have animals. But I just lost my two best friends. And I need one of them back. Because I'm not a happy person. My house is quiet. There's no noise. I miss them more than anybody will ever know. And I know deep down Fred misses Blue too. Because he took care of Blue. He fed him. He walked him. He loved him. This is my cry out to Social Cam to find me another Weimaraner. I miss my son. Good night, Social Cam.